LBO Modeling is a very hands-on and advanced Excel session. It builds on the basic skills taught during our LBO Valuation topic. We take a real-life LBO acquisition, a financial sponsor buying a business, and we model it out fully. Income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, and returns to the investor. We'll look at the real-life complexity of a detailed capital structure. So not only amortizing loans and bullet loans, but also mezzanine loans, loans with PIK interest, and also shareholder loans and other complexities in the equity part of the capital structure. So this is a very detailed session, useful for those of you working directly in private equity or in any advisory role related to PE deals. Thank you.